All right, I'm ready to give you money, man. So
I
I want to
appreciate
see
it.
it.
So
So
yeah.
please, okay, let me take some questions here. I'm not going to keep you guys too long. I got some other stuff to do in the real world here, but let me see here. We got Larry. Hey, shout out Larry. How you doing, man? Thank you so much for setting this up. Um, Farron Perry says I was reading
Mm-hmm.
ISO 4201 AI
Yeah.
standards. I got to check that one out. I haven't read through that one.
Yeah, I've been actually going through it. I think I was going to do a video with that, and NIST 200 AI just came out with their additional framework. I did a video on 100, 200 just came out, so I was actually going to meld those two together. So
Oh, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. I definitely want to take a shot at that NIST CSF, the NIST AI
mm-hmm.
100 and 200. Let me see. I got one from TikTok. They said, will my resume be looked at differently once I have my cybersecurity technology degree in August? I would say Vincent and anybody else who has similar questions about, like, you're new to this field, you're trying to get in. This is just my take. Um, I'm not saying don't get a degree. I'm not saying don't get certifications, but focus on experience, focus on what you do, focus on your projects, put that stuff on there.
Mm-hmm.
Those are going to sometimes be is going to separate the men from the boys, so to speak. So get your experience, like focus on experience. If you're still in school, try to get into student programs where you're doing IT. I'm just talking basic IT jobs. If you have a student program, get in there. You have projects you can do where you're setting up firewalls or something like that. That's stuff you can put on your resume where you had hands-on skills in certain technologies and certain skills. So that's the kind of stuff you want to focus on right now. PBO, what would you say about that?
No, I think you're 100%. Go ahead, finish it, but you need to create a portfolio with that now. I think to kind of, like you said, separate you, because a lot of people are looking for hand-on experience, and I think you touched on the bad thing is there's a lot of experienced people getting laid off. So this job market is going to be crazy, crazy. I think till 2026. So you're going to need some real-world experience, because there's a lot of good people in the federal space that got cut. So they about to saturate the job market. I think salary is going to get pushed down, but yeah, it's going to be crazy, man. Two is Google laid off 5,000. I think AWS laid off a couple thousand. So I think shout out to my man Elon Musk. I think he did this trend where everybody's cost cutting, and somebody made 25 billion and still laid off people. So in a quarter, I forgot who that was, but yeah, if you look out this job market is going to be crazy, man.
That's a great point.
Till 2026. But once again, don't fret. I stay in it, keep grinding. You just gotta know what you need to sign up for, man. And it's what it is right now. It's just a bad time, man.